2019 GMC Yukon XL. GMC Yukon XL is a great choice for families who need a full-size SUV with maximum seating. The looks don't hurt either. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, stability control, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, remote engine start, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, backup camera, tow hitch, lane departure warning, power liftgate, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, floor mats, cruise control. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.